Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are going to discuss if we supply AC in pure resistor individually, supply pure resistor case and inductor case and capacitor case. Let first consider if we supply AC in pure resistive circuit. Okay, here AC in pure resistor. Okay, we know that we draw first of all the a resistive network. Okay, here the resistive network. Okay, we supply this AC voltage. This is Vm sin omega t. Here this omega is the angular frequency with respect to time. Okay, we know, all of you know about resistor. Resistor is the like that material that offers the flow of electric current, to it. Okay, if it is AC or DC, it can oppose all electric current. Okay, then you see what happen when the AC will flow. Okay, let assume apply KVL here, apply KVL. Okay, when we apply KVL, this is equal to how much? This V minus this I into R is equal to 0. Okay, this happen. Next, then we know that I equal to this V by R. Okay, V by R. Okay, next this V equal to Vm sin omega t. That much or not? Okay, so we know this is I equal to V. Okay, so this when you got, then the I equal to how much? This I equal to Vm sin omega t by R. Okay, then this I equal to Im sin omega t in case of AC. In case of here the I the instantaneous value is equal to this much. Okay, instantaneous value equal to this much. Here the voltage is Vm sin omega t, and here the current is Im sin omega t. Okay, when you find the phase difference between voltage and current, that is no phase, here omega t and here is also omega t. There is no phase difference. Okay, there is no phase difference in case of resistive network. Okay, no phase difference means the phase difference 0. Okay, so when you draw the wave diagram, this is the time axis. If this is the voltage wave and the current in no phase difference, so that the current will flow in phase with this voltage. This is the voltage and this is the current. You can see in case of resistive circuit, when the voltage at the time of voltage peak its maximum point, at that point current is also peak its maximum point. Okay, this is the resistive case. If you draw the phasor diagram, phasorical representation. Okay, here I am drawing. If you draw this phasor diagram, diagram. Okay, then this is voltage, let this is the voltage. Okay, then the current will appear in the same in phase with this. Okay, this is I in phase with this, there is no phase difference between this. When you consider the power factor in case of resistive network, power factor is unity power factor. The power factor is the cosine angle between voltage and current. Okay, and current. Okay, voltage and current. So that cosine angle between this zero angle, so that PF equal to cos 0 degree is equal to 1. 1 is unity power factor. Okay, there is no phase difference between voltage and current in case of pure resistor circuit or pure resistive circuit. Next we consider pure capacitive cases. Okay, pure capacitive circuit. Okay, pure capacitive circuit. Okay, let's consider this. I may go to the next. Okay, let's consider this one. Sorry, this is the circuit. Okay, pure capacitive network. Okay, pure capacitive network. In case of pure capacitive cases, circuit be like that. Okay, so we know that Q equal to CV, Q equal to charge. Okay, Q equal to CV. So this Q equal to CV. When we consider this current charging current, this is equal to I dq by dt. Okay, when you put this, okay, we know this B equal to, again we modify the Q, C Vm sin omega t. Okay, then we put this value here. Okay, so we got I equal to derivative of this constant Cvm constant sin equal to cos omega t into omega. Okay, when we take this side, omega c Vm is equal to is cos omega t. Okay, we are required to convert this Vm to Im. Okay, so that we can compare like this. Okay, so omega c we know xc equal to 1 by omega c. This is the capacitive reactance. Okay, capacitive reactance, or what amount of resistive factor in the capacitor. Okay, that is the capacitive reactance. Okay, so here we got I equal to from this we got Im cos omega t. Okay, cos omega t. Okay, then finally this I equal to Im sin, we convert this sin omega t plus pi by 2. Here the phase difference between this and this plus pi by 2. Okay, so when you draw the phasor diagram, if this is the voltage axis, the current will lead by 90 degree current will lead by 90 degree. Okay, from this equation we got this. Okay, first this is next. First the waveform, we draw waveform like when in case of voltage is like that. Okay, current is 90 degree lead, 90 degree lead, 90 degree leading. So that current will start from when the this is 0, it will start. Okay, then again it's 0, again. Okay, it's maximum. Okay, this is the current I, this is the voltage. Okay, first we'll see how this will happen where the capacitance will be lead or that much value pure capacitor 90 degree lead. Then see, in case of capacitor, when you apply the voltage, okay, when you apply the AC voltage, it will oscillating nature. Okay, when you first point, when the current will 0, sorry, when the voltage will 0, it will start applying to this. Okay, then the capacitor is uncharged. Okay, then first time the capacitor uncharged, then capacitor try to manage at a particular potential at this point. Okay, at this point. Okay, so it will maintain at high value. At the starting it will high, initially it will decrease. When the voltage is maximum, capacitor will fully charged, then the polarity will be, the current polarity will be reverse. Then when reverse, then voltage are nature. Okay, then voltage will gradually decreasing and it is also in reverse direction, then again charging. Okay, this process will continue. Okay, it will be leading in nature. Okay, with details study about in our next chapter. Okay, next we go to the, in case of pure inductor. Okay, pure inductor. Let this is the network, this is the inductor network. Okay, this is the inductor network. Okay, this is the L. Here this is the V equal to Vm sin omega t. Okay, here the current is like that. Okay, next we saw we know that all inductor produce self EMF. That EMF equal to, this EMF equal to L di by dt. Okay, we already know about this. When this E, when we apply KVL here, this V minus E equal to 0. Okay, V minus E equal to 0. Okay, next we put this V equal to, sorry, V minus L di by dt. Okay, L di by dt. Okay, next L di by dt is equal to V. You can write that. Okay, when then this di we can write like that, di equal to V by L dt. We can write like that. When you cancel this derivative, we can integrate in both sides. We use integration both sides. Okay, so the di equal to I. Okay, and this is this, sorry, let this is the integration of, sorry, next we can write like that, this is Vm sin omega t by L dt. Okay, then we integrating that. Okay, we got Vm divided by L minus integration of sin omega t is the minus cos omega t divided by omega. Then you got this I equal to Vm by omega L minus cos omega t. Okay, we know here the omega L is the XL. This is the inductive omega L. Okay, this is the inductive reactance, inductive reactance. Okay, then we finally got this I equal to when you convert this cos to sine, then we finally got Im equal to sine omega t minus pi by 2. Okay, here the current is minus pi by 2 and this is the omega t. The difference is the minus omega t. Okay, when you draw this phasor diagram, phasor diagram is like that. If the voltage is like that, current will lies 90 degree lag. In case of inductor, the current will always lag. In pure inductance circuit, current will perfectly 90 degree lag. Okay, then when you got this wave diagram, we got like that. If the voltage is like that, then it will start after 90 degree. Okay, after a color pen. Okay, after 90, it will start after 90 degree. Okay, it will got maximum at the here. Okay, like that. Okay, this is the current, and this is the voltage. In this case, the voltage is appear first, then current will second, so that it will lag, the current will lag to the voltage. Okay, but in case of resistor, voltage and current will in phase, and in case of capacitor, current will start from first, then voltage will begin. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.